We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names from the NBA. We'll be looking at how to say the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say this one? The player himself confirmed that it is not exactly Nikola, but it is not Nikola either, but rather Nikola. Nikola. So pretty much every syllable, at least the first two, have the same stress, the same weight. Nikola, Nikola, and then Jokić. So not Nikola Jokić, which is what everybody says in the US in particular. It's not quite as strong as Nikola, but rather Nikola, Nikola Jokić. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the National Basketball Association, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.